In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MyFitnessPal to Everfit. So in order to connect those two together, first head over to your Google Play Store or your App Store and search for those two apps. Make sure to install it right here. Once you have installed those two, next thing you need to do is to head over and open them. I have in here this help article that can help with the MyFitnessPal integration. So onto the setting page of your MyFitnessPal app, head over and click onto the diary settings. Make sure to turn the diary sharing to public in order to access those on the public option. Now log into your Everfit account and onto the client app, tap on the U page right here by tapping on the icon. Once you're there, click onto the app integration, and in here you can see the MyFitnessPal. Click onto that in order to connect it. Click onto this, enter your MyFitnessPal ID, click on submit, and after that, you can find your ID by going over right here to this link. You can find that the last part of that is your ID. After that, you should be able to actually sync your data on those two options. So that's how you connect MyFitnessPal to Everfit. Hope we helped.